Okay, now we're going to cover an essential part of growing your event business, which is building the right team and structuring your company for efficiency. So whether you're solo or planning to hire a team, having a well-organized structure ensures that your company is going to run smoothly. So we'll walk through the key roles and how to create an organizational chart that supports your business's growth. A strong organizational structure helps you scale efficiently. It ensures clear roles and responsibilities, improves communication, and prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. Even if you're just starting out, you need to think ahead about the roles that your company will need and plan for growth. First, let's go over the key roles in an event business. The positions you need depend on the size and the type of events that you plan to organize, but here are some common roles to consider. At the core of your business, you'll typically find these essential positions. The CEO and founder. This is the visionary who sets the business strategy, manages high-level partnerships, and oversees growth. In many event businesses, this is the executive producer. The operations manager. This handles logistics, venue coordination, permits, and overall execution. Your marketing manager. They're responsible for promotions, advertising, and ticket sales for the events. Sales and sponsorship coordinator. Focuses on selling event sponsorships, partnerships, and VIP packages. Finance manages budgets, invoicing, financial planning, and if you're running a small business, you might find yourself doing many of these roles at first, but that's okay. You'll want to delegate these responsibilities as your business grows to run efficiently. Beyond your core business team, you'll also need roles specific to event execution, and these depend on the type of events you organize. For event production and execution, consider these positions. The event producer or coordinator oversees all event logistics, including setup, vendor management, and event timelines. The talent buyer handles booking, entertainment, speakers, comedians. Your vendor manager manages caterers and coordinates vendor contracts, merchandise booths, suppliers. Technical direction or production manager will help with sound, lighting, production, and staging. Hospitality and guest relations ensures artists are well taken care of during the event. Security and risk management, responsible for security coordination, emergency response, and protecting everyone at the event. Now that you've identified the key roles, it's time to organize them into a structure that makes sense for your business. A simple way to do this is by creating an organizational chart. An org chart visually maps out your team and the reporting structure. Here's how to build one. Start with leadership. Place yourself or the leadership team at the top, such as the CEO or founder. Define department heads and assign roles to categories like operations, marketing, finance, and sales. Then supporting roles. Under each department, add employees, contractors, or freelancers that support event execution. Outline the reporting structure and show who reports to who and how clear communication and accountability will be handled. If you're just starting out and don't have a full team yet, build an ideal organizational chart and give yourself a goal as to where you're growing towards. Once your structure is in place, make sure every role has a clear job description. This helps define responsibilities and prevents overlap or confusion. When writing job descriptions, include a summary of the role, key responsibilities, skills and qualifications needed, the reporting structure, even if you're the only employee for now, and writing job descriptions will help you define what's needed to be done and prioritize hiring as your business expands. Your organizational structure isn't set in stone. As your business evolves, so should your team. Check in regularly to see if certain roles need to be added or adjusted. For example, if your event business grows, you might expand your marketing team or bring in more technical staff. Be flexible and adapt the structure based on your business's needs. Creating a structured team, even if it's just a few people to start, will help your business run more efficiently and set the foundation for future growth. By identifying the key positions and creating an organizational chart and delegating responsibilities, you're going to ensure that your business runs smooth. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to discuss how to effectively manage vendor relationships and seamless event production.